Chipped Nails sent me 2 kits. One is the larger one and the smaller one. They actually look pretty similar, really pretty kind of emerald green, and it comes with the glue that I'm gonna need to do my nails. And what's super cool is these are social nails, so when you put them on, you can then attach your Instagram and social media to it. There's a little app and information. So I'm gonna do that because I'm going to a conference. So I thought, what a cool way to give out my information with my nails. This is a really cute kit that it comes with. So you get an alcohol pad, you get the glue, you get a file, and then a cuticle pusher backer, whatever you call those. So first thing is to use the alcohol pad. I'm gonna do that. Then it says to file your entire nail, get rid of the shine to help it last longer, push back your cuticles, apply glue. Just realized the sticky tabs were sitting at the bottom. So it does come with those too, which is really cool. So I am using the sticky tabs. Those are working. I have a few on so far, and they're really cool. They actually have like, it's hard to tell in this light, but they have this heart inside of them. Nails are on. These are so cool. I love that dark green with like a hint of blue in there, and then each one has a heart. Pretty easy to put on, so that was nice. And now I'll just be very curious to see how long they last. I'm super rough with my hands, so normally they'll only last a few days. Just connected it to the app, so now I need to test it out with someone. There it is. Tap it. Aha! Oh, you want to follow me? Okay. Boom! That's so cool. On the nail.